All right. Today we're going to look at a whole bunch of properties: power, Ohm's law, and the cost and energy used for electricity. And we're going to focus in on a 1200 watt toaster connected to our 120 volt outlet. Now, we're going to kind of treat this pretty generically, but let's go with it. So we want to find what's the current draw for your toaster. Okay. We're also going to find what's the resistance of your toaster if we consider this to be a pretty uniform DC circuit. It's not, but we're just going to assume it is. All right, we're also going to find the cost to toast one piece of toast for 90 seconds. Our energy rate is 10 cents per kilowatt hour. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to find the current draw. Current, remember, is the variable I. So power, which is in watts, is equal to the current times the voltage. So I know it's 1200 watts. I know my voltage is 120. So I find out that my current is going to be my power divided by my voltage, or 1200 divided by 120. And so my current is 10 amps. So what I got to be careful of is I haven't put a kitchen together. I can't have a toaster and a microwave on the same circuit. If it's only a 15 amp circuit, they're not going to make it. So what you have to do when you design a circuit for a house is you got to make sure that you don't put too many things drawing too much current on the same circuit. So our toaster pulls 10 amps. All right, so what's the resistance? So what I can do is I can use Ohm's law and solve for resistance. And so resistance is equal to the voltage divided by the current. And so my resistance is going to be 120 divided by my current, which is 10. And so my resistance is 12. And our units for resistance are ohms. So I have 12 ohms. So the next question is, how much did it cost me? 90 seconds of use. All right, so we got to be a little careful here. Okay? So energy and cost. Well, the rate of energy usage is 10 cents for every kilowatt hour. So that means when I'm using these, I need to have my power in kilowatts. I need to have my time in hours so that I get my energy in kilowatt hours. All right. So what that means is I'm going to have to convert my 1200 watts to kilowatts. All right. So that makes 1.2 kilowatts. Okay. I'm also going to have to convert 90 seconds into hours. Okay. So 90 seconds, get rid of seconds, go to minutes, get rid of minutes, go to hours. So there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 90 divided by 3600 will give me my time. Let me do that out quick for you. .025 hours. Pretty short time, but you're using quite a bit of power for that short time. So our energy is going to be that 1.2 kilowatts times our 0.025 hours. So we're going to end up with 0.03 kilowatt hours worth of energy is used. To find the cost, I'm going to take the energy times the rate. So if I multiply this, 0.03 times my rate, which was 10 cents, so $0.1, I'm going to have my cost. And so it costs me $0.003. In other words, it cost me 0.3 cents for that one piece of toast, or the electricity for that one piece of toast.